Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. If you remember me, I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. We've been off for a few days out doing some research. Well, the research that I've come up with is that I like daiquiris. And the daiquiris that we have all come from Cuba. We have a variation today, and this cocktail was named after none other than Ernest Hemingway, also known as Papa. Well, Papa was known for his love of strong cocktails. And there was a place that he frequented in Havana in the 30s and 40s. And well, the place that one of the places that Hemingway used to drink was a hotel bar called El Floridita. El Floridita said, "We've got a cocktail that's just great for Mr. Hemingway." He liked his drink strong. He didn't like him sweet. He was afraid of a lot of sugar. There was diabetes in his family. So this is the cocktail that they made, and it's called the Papa Doble. So let's get pouring. We're going to start with a shaker in this one, and it's got a lot of really good flavors in it. The first one is grapefruit juice. Now, Hemingway's was done with a pink grapefruit. Ours, we're using red grapefruit because we can't find pink. We're going to put 1 ounce in there. Our next ingredient in there is going to be lime. You got to have lime for a daiquiri, and we're going to do the same thing, 1 ounce. Now, as I said, Hemingway didn't like a lot of sugar in his cocktails. Normally, there's 1 ounce of sugar syrup in a daiquiri. We're going to cut that in half, and we're only going to use 1/2 ounce. Now, our syrup today is actually cane sugar. It's not from refined white sugar, so a little bit healthier, 1/2 ounce. You'll also see it's a little bit darker in color. The big twist to this cocktail is the maraschino liqueur. We're going to use 3/4 ounce there. Now, if you've seen previous episodes, we did a cocktail a long time ago called the Hemingway Daiquiri. And while the ingredients are pretty similar to it, the proportions are different. The Papa Doble name over the Hemingway Daiquiri means Papa Double. I said he liked a strong drink, so what we're going to do is from the Hemingway Daiquiri, we're going to double the amount of rum, and we're going to use a golden rum. Now today I am using Havana Club, and this is Cuban rum. You can't get it in the States, but you can still get it over in the Caribbean. If you can't get access to this, or you don't have any access to Cuban rum, you can use Bacardi 8. It's going to be a similar in profile of flavor to it. You can use Floridita. So those are a couple of possible substitutes if you can't get to a real Cuban rum. Papa liked them strong. We are going to put in there 3 ounces of rum. That's everything we've got in the mix. Now let's ice it down, shake it up, and chill it. And here we've got a nice chilled coupe, and we're going to strain. Look at that beautiful color on that. All we have left to do is garnish, and for that, we are going to use a simple lime wheel. And there is today's wonderful cocktail, Papa Doble. Let's give it a taste. I love a great daiquiri, and this is a great daiquiri. It's got a great rum flavor to it. It's strong, but delicious. It's not too sweet. Very, very bright from the combination of the grapefruit and the lime juices in there. You got to give this one a try, folks. Cheers, and don't forget, tip your bartender.